Hello friends, welcome to Beauty Foodies Life. I am Poshali and today I am going to share with you my daily winter skincare routine with some affordable products available in India. But before starting today's video, if you are new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button for more beauty videos like this. And also, if you already subscribed my channel, then thank you. And now, let's start today's video. Like every skincare routine, first of all, we have to clean our face. For this, I am going to use this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda's Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Cleanser. And this cost about 149, and if you search it in Flipkart or Amazon or any other online shops, you can find it in about 10 to 30% discount, so it's really affordable. So first, for cleansing, I'm gonna take a cotton and then I'm gonna take water, simple water, and then just wet my face with it before applying the cleanser. Simply, and then next I am going to pour out some cleanser on my hand, a little bit, and then just apply it on my face and massage it thoroughly throughout the face. In this way, the pores will be opened and cleansed properly, because in winters, due to the cold weather, our pores are closed mostly. And always when you massage upwards to your face, always. In the forehead like this, and then upward. So done. Next again I am taking same water and cotton, dip it to the water and clean the whole cleanser from my face. Oops. And with it, all the dirt will be came out from the pores. Next, I am taking a dry cotton, and still you can see my face is wet. So now, with the dry cotton, I am going to clean the water from my face. Done. So our cleansing is done. So first step is complete. Next, we are going to do toning. For toning, I am going to use Patanjali's rose water. It costs about 28 rupees to 30 rupees in market, so it's really affordable, and also it's a pure rose water. So for the toning, I am again taking a cotton and then open this rose water. It don't have any spray, or I don't even know if these have any variety of with spray bottle, but I like this rose water very much. So now I am taking it on the cotton and then just dab it to my face. Never rub it. Rubbing will open your pores, not closing it. Summer, winter or spring, any season, toning is really important. Keep it on your mind. Never skip this part. You can say I skip scrubbing. I skip it because I don't scrub daily. I scrub about twice a month in winters because due to dryness our skins became really sensitive, and also it is really vulnerable and really easy to damage. So I always try to skip the scrubbing part, and also if I scrub, I always use soft scrubber like wheat germ scrub or homemade wheat germ scrub. So I will recommend scrubbing is not good in winters. So toning is done. Now let's dry it and give me some time. So my toner is dried. Now I am going to apply moisturizer. In summers we also need moisturizers for our face, but in winters it really needed. And for this I am going to use Patanjali's, if you can see, Patanjali's moisturizer with shea butter, chamomile and olive oil. And this cost about 75 rupees. I will mention all the prices in the description box also. And this is the packaging. It's really handy, and it's also came with a second cap, so it's never mess out. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of it and apply it to my face. Just apply it gently. And give it a good coat of moisturizer to your face. And one thing is really good about this moisturizer, it never feels sticky or never give your skin a dark complexion. So it's really good. And it's suitable to any type of skin, I think. There is another moisturizer of aloe vera, so if you have sensitive skin you can go for that, though that also cost the same. So next we can't forget our lips. These lips are really important during winters because it's became really dry. And for the lips I am gonna use our really old and good friend Borolin. This packaging only costs 10 rupees, you can see that. You can find it in any cosmetic store and also in any grocery store. So it's really affordable and easy to find. So first open it and you can have this box. I'm gonna take a little bit and then apply it to my lips. There is one thing I want to share with you. In winters our skin became really dry, and for that sometimes our skin gets some breakage also, like red lines, and those are really burning. For this Borolin is really good. You can just apply this cream for overnight and it really do a magic work. It really healed any type of damage for your skin. So my daily skincare routine is done. So this is today's video, and this is my daily winter skincare routine with some affordable products available in market. So if you like today's video, hit the like button, and also still now if you are not subscribed to my channel, then hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell. Then whenever I uploaded any new videos, you will be notified. So let's end today's video here and meet in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe and have a good day. Bye bye.